Hi, today I'm going to share with you how to clean your teeth the Ayurvedic way. Hi, this is Zia and welcome to Holistic Nomads TV, where ancient wisdom and modern science can help you to have more clarity and energy in your life. So traditionally, Ayurveda uses twigs of a plant, specific one that has one of these three medicinal tastes. So in Ayurveda, there is a principle called the 6 medicinal tastes of Ayurveda. On the caption below, there's a link to learn further about this principle, or you can also click this link here. So the ideal twigs that is used has one of these three tastes. The first option is whether the twig has a bitter taste. Why bitter? Because it usually has antimicrobial properties to it, so it helps to maintain the oral hygiene. The second option is whether the twig has a taste that is pungent, because pungent helps to improve the salivation and also then helps to flush out the toxin from the mouth. Or third, the twig has a taste that is astringent. So astringent will help to close down the wound because it has that properties to suck tissue together, and it also helps to heal ulcers from the gum and from the mouth. Again, if you'd like to learn more about the principle of the 6 medicinal tastes of Ayurveda, on the caption below there's a link to learn further from our previous class. For the modern times though, using twigs can be a little bit challenging and tricky because first, it might be even difficult to find, except probably you're in India. So that's why nowadays often we use toothpaste because it's so easy, it can be transported very easily. Yet I personally use tooth powder for several reasons. The first one is because it doesn't have preservative like commonly found on toothpaste. The second reason is because most tooth powder available on the market composed of natural and organic ingredients. The third reason, because tooth powder doesn't contain fluoride mostly, as studies have shown that fluoride has a toxic effect for our body. You can research further on that. And the fourth reason is because the tooth powder that I usually use has baking soda as one of the main ingredients, and baking soda itself is a gentle abrasive that I personally find to leave my teeth super clean, and it also brightens my teeth as well. Now, a little side note about baking soda, especially if you only use baking soda on its own to clean your teeth, is that it might be too abrasive for some people, also especially for those who have sensitive gum, and it also doesn't kill bacteria. So I will personally recommend, if you use baking soda, whether you make it on your own or whether you buy it outside, is that find something that also mix other ingredients on the baking soda, like essential oils. Now I'm going to share with you how to clean your teeth using tooth powder. First, wet your toothbrush a little bit and dip it into the powder. Second, use your favorite essential oil that has antimicrobial properties to help clean your mouth, like peppermint oil, or what I use here is Kimana's Vitality Now Essential Oil blends that helps to balance pitta because this blend has antimicrobial properties. Third, brush your teeth by holding the brush at 45 degrees angle, thoroughly cleaning your teeth in a circular motion, or if you use electric toothbrush like me, then you can let the toothbrush does the job for you. And fourth, rinse your toothbrush and mouth with cool water once it's finished brushing your teeth. Usually, if you use the electric toothbrush like me, it will stop after 2 minutes because they say that 2 minutes is the ideal time for you to brush your teeth. There's a few notes that I would like to emphasize when you're brushing your teeth using tooth powder. The first one is to always close the container of your tooth powder, because this is my bad tendency as Vata is forgetful, and Kimana often reminded me, is that when we don't close the lid tightly, it makes the moisture of the air might come inside the jar, inside the tube, and it can easily make the powder get moldy, especially if you live in Bali like we do. The second note is that when you're using the toothbrush and dipping it into the tooth powder, make sure that there's not much water on the toothbrush, because if there's too much, I'm afraid that there will be water dripping into the tooth powder, which then will leave it damp, and I'm afraid it might get moldy as well. And then the third note is that, again, everything that we share in this video is all educational in nature. So as always, we always recommend to consult further to your health practitioner, or in this case, your dentist, if you would like to use tooth powder, toothpaste, or even twigs for your personal health care benefits. Lastly, if you would like to learn about the principle of the 6 medicinal tastes of Ayurveda that we talk a little bit in the beginning section of this video, on the caption below there's a link to watch our previous class on 6 medicinal tastes of Ayurveda. And if you would like to dig deeper, to learn further about how to clean your mouth the Ayurvedic way, there's another practices. The previous weeks, we already talked about how to scrape your tongue. On the caption below again, there's a link to watch that class. And in the future videos, the next 2 weeks, we are also going to talk about how to do oil pulling, or also called gundush. Now, theory without practice is wasteful, because hearing leads to forgetting, teaching leads to remembering, and applying leads to mastering. That's why we will encourage you to leave a comment below and share one learning insight from this video. Also, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you will be the first to hear about our future educational videos. And for more resources on health and healing, check out our website holisticnomads.com. There you will find articles, quizzes on Ayurveda, loads of free downloads, and of course our future events and courses. Thank you so much for watching. We hope it's been beneficial for you. Hope to see you next week. Bye! So now the question is how we can apply the Ayurvedic principle of to clean the tongue, not the tongue,